Hi and welcome to Real Binary Options Reviews. In this video we are going to take a look at the Bollinger Bands indicator. Now the Bollinger Bands will tell you when the price is high or when the price is low, and will also tell you how volatile the market is. Now here you can see the chart of the euro dollar. It's a 1-minute chart. We use this chart to make examples of how to use the stochastic indicator, how to use the RSI indicator, and we are going to add the Bollinger Bands onto this chart, and we are going to see how you can use the Bollinger Bands indicator. So I'm going to click here, I'm going to add indicator, and I'm going to select this Bollinger Bands indicator. And here I'm going to apply it to the price history. It means it will going to be drawn onto these candles. So let us see what the Bollinger Bands are telling us. So basically, as I said before, Bollinger Bands are telling us when the price is low or when the price is high, and how volatile the market is. What is the possibility that the price will move to the highest or the lowest level. And if the channel is more narrow, it means that the price is more slow, the trading is more slow. When the channel is wider, it means it has the potential to go all the way up to the upper band. So when you see the price touching or crossing the lower Bollinger Bands, the binary options traders are looking for the opportunity to trade up. And when we are seeing the price and the candles crossing the upper Bollinger Band, we are looking for the opportunities to trade down. Now, if you saw the previous videos about the stochastics and RSI, you will be able to understand how you can combine these indicators with the Bollinger Bands. If you didn't see these videos, please check the description of the video. There are links to the previous videos, so you'll be able to understand how you can combine these. And once you use the Bollinger Bands in combination, let's say, with the stochastics indicator or with the RSI indicator, you can already develop a very good trading system for binary options trading that will allow you to make quite some profit in relatively short amount of time. So again, here we are on the 1-minute chart, and let us see how the Bollinger Bands work. So basically how I would use the Bollinger Bands is I would wait until I get a red candle that closes the lower Bollinger Band, and then I would trade up with, let's say, 5 to 10 minute expiries. And in similar fashion, I would wait until the green candle crosses the Bollinger Band on the upper level, and then I would wait for the opportunity to trade down. Now I can also confirm these trades, so I can say I want to see the candle cross the lower Bollinger Band, and I want to see the stochastic to cross the level 20, which is defined by this red line, and then I'm trading up. And similarly, I am waiting for the stochastic to cross the green line, and I want to see the green candle cross the upper Bollinger Band, and then I'm going to trade down. So let us see where I would make the trades. I'm going to mark these trades with the yellow arrows. So here I would probably enter the first trade if I would use the stochastic and the Bollinger Bands. So I'm trading, once this candle would close, I'm trading 5-minute expiry, and the price would close here after 5 minutes, and this would be a winning trade. So again, if I would trade binary options with this system, and I would invest $100 into this trade, I would earn additional $75. So again, here I'm trading down, so I'm just going to mark this with a yellow arrow. And again, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The price closed here, and this would be a winning trade. And again, after this red candle closed below the Bollinger Band, again I'm trading here up. So here I'm getting another winning trade with 5-minute expiry. The price closed here, so this is a winning trade. And let me see where I can get the next opportunity. So now I'm just watching for the Bollinger Band as my main indicator, and I'm looking for the confirmation from the stochastic indicator. So let me see what happens. I want to see the candle close above the Bollinger Band. So here it closed just on the level of the Bollinger Band, so I wouldn't enter this trade if I would use the Bollinger Bands as my main indicator. So let us go on. Okay, so after the closure of this green candle, you can see the stochastic is above the level 80. After the closure of this candle, I'm trading down with 5-minute expiry. I'm going to mark this with a yellow arrow, so you can see. And 5 minutes, it would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The price would close here, and this would be a winning trade. And now I'm waiting for the next opportunity, which comes in here. So again, on the opening of this candle, I'm trading down here with 5-minute expiry, and this is a winning trade. And I'm waiting for the green candle to close above the Bollinger Bands. Let's say this could be a closure. In this case, the green candle didn't close quite above the Bollinger Band, but let's say I could use this also as the potential entry position. So at this closure, I would enter down with 5-minute expiry. So let us see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This would also be a winning trade. So I would enter down here, and you can see I would enter down here, and you can see that the price closed here, so this would be a winning trade. And let's wait for the next opportunity. And as you can see here, if I would use only the stochastic indicator without the confirmation of the Bollinger, I would enter this trade, and this would be a losing trade. But since I'm waiting for the confirmation of the Bollinger Bands, I would not enter this trade. So Bollinger Bands in this case would help me avoid a losing trade, a bad trade. So if you use additional indicator, if you use, let's say, stochastics and Bollinger Bands, you would be able to make a bit lower amount of trades, but the Bollinger Bands can help you to eliminate the bad trades. So let us wait for the next opportunity. I want to see the candle close below the Bollinger Band, like this red candle here. So you can see if I would use, again, if I would just use the stochastics, I would enter on this trade, on this candle, and it would be a losing trade. If I would use a Bollinger, I would enter here for the price to go up. And let us see what happens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And in this case, again, it would be a winning trade. So let's go on. The next one is here. And again, you can see if I would enter on the closure of the green candle that crossed the Bollinger, again, the stochastic was above the green line, and I'm making another winning trade. So as you could see, so far we had all winning trades with this system. And this is really easy system to use. Beginner traders can use it without any problems, and it's a very profitable system, especially if you're trading binary options, which gives you high returns on your trades. You can make quite some money without any advanced knowledge. You just have to know how to combine stochastics and Bollinger. So if you don't know anything about binary options trading or how you can turn this knowledge into a profit, please take a look at the description of this video. So let us see if we get another opportunity. I just want to show you a little bit more to see what kind of statistics we can get. Maybe we can even get a bad trade. So this would be a potential entry position if I would enter here on the closure of this candle. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The price would close here. This would be a winning trade. Okay, so let's just mark this with an arrow, and let's go on and see where we get a closure. Okay, so once this candle closed above the Bollinger, you can see the stochastic still isn't above the green level. It's not above the green line. But if I would just trade using the Bollinger as my main and only indicator, then I would trade down here with 5-minute expiry. It would mean 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And in this case, this would be a losing trade. So I didn't get the confirmation from the stochastic. I forced the trade a little bit. In this case, it would be a losing trade. So the next position is of course here. I'm trading down with 5-minute expiry on the closure of this green candle. So I'm going to mark this again, so you'll be able to see I'm trading down with 5-minute expiry. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The price closed here, so this is another winning trade. And again, I'm entering on the closure of this candle, trading down. So basically here I'm trading down, and you can see here we have a breakout of the price. It breaks out of the trading range and it goes into the trend, and we will see what happens. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and in this case this would be a losing trade. But again, you can see here we have a really strong green candle breaking out of the Bollinger line. So if I would make my trade here, it would mean 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, the price would close here, and in this case it would be a winning trade. And again, there's a strong break here, but we only get a confirmation of the Bollinger at this candle. So let's see what would happen if I would enter here. It would be a winning trade, and also if I would wait for the confirmation from the stochastic line, this would be a winning trade. So obviously you can see how very successful this combination of Bollinger Bands and the stochastic line can be. If you want to see what's the profitability by yourself, please read the description of this video. I have some links that will take you, let's say, to free stock charts where you have these indicators already preset, and you can test this system by yourself. And if you don't know how to turn this into money, please take a look at the www.realbinaryoptionsreviews.com. Read the description of this video. You will get all the information on binary options trading basics, about the indicators, about the trading systems, and also about the good brokers where you can trade these systems and make quite some profit with online trading, even if you are a complete beginner and do not understand what this video is exactly about.